stay away.
Oh.
Just get down. Get on the couch so I can rob the place. One second thought. Get me a bag. No, give me a bag. Hurry. Go faster. I'll shoot you. You got the bag? Alright. Dude! Oh. Just stay down! I'm gonna do something I should have done 30 minutes ago. Oh. Get away. Just get out of my house. Okay, I will. Wait, I have an idea. No, no.
See you, sucker.
Ah!